Hello students, this is Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today we are taking the topic role of profit in business. Actually, in my previous class, I have discussed about what is business, its nature, types of economic activities. Now, the topic is role of profit or importance of profit in the business. So, what is profit? Profit is the reward of entrepreneur for its risk, for its efforts. Profit is the difference between total revenue and total cost. Every businessman wants to increase its total revenue or decrease its total cost so that in that condition he can maximize his profit. So the role of profit in business can be studied by these five subtopics: survival, expansion are of two types: growth and diversification. Symbol of efficiency, reward for risk bearing, helps to gain reputation. A businessman earns profit for various reasons. These reasons are following. First, survival. A businessman cannot survive for a longer time without earning adequate profit. Profit is a source of income for a businessman, which becomes his means of livelihood. Profit is needed to satisfy the need of the businessman and his family members. Second, expansion. In expansion, there are 2 points: growth and diversification. To increase the sales per unit is the growth, and to enter into new product segment is the diversification. When profit is large, a part of it can always be reinvested for its expansion or diversification, so that its production can be increased. Retention of profit is an internal source of financing or self-financing. The internal source of fund is more dependable and cheaper source as compared to the external source which we take from banks, financial institutions. Because when business borrows from external source, it has to mortgage its assets and pay high rate of interest. Whereas on retained profit, there is no interest and company can easily use it for expansion and growth projects. Third point, symbol of efficiency or an index of performance. Profit indicates whether a business is being managed efficiently or not. If the resources are used in a proper way, the profit will be maximum, and if there are wastages, pilferages, leakages, the profit will always be low. The success of a business can be judged by its ability to earn profit. Reward for bearing the risk. Profit is considered as a price or reward paid to a businessman for bearing the risk. Businessmen invest money in the business only with the hope of earning profit. The desire to earn profit motivates the businessman to bear the uncertainties and unexpected risk. Profit and risk are directly related to each other. The higher the risk, more is the profit, and the lower the risk, less is the profit. Last point, helps to gain reputation. Reputation means image or goodwill of the firm in the market. A profit earning company always has a better good reputation in the market as to those companies which are running in loss or will shut down in coming time. The rate of earning profit helps in creating a goodwill of the company in the market. The market price of share increases with the increase in the profit. The companies with the higher rate of profit are able to raise loan and obtain credit more easily. Even efficient employees prefer to work in profit earning companies as these are able to offer higher wages and salary. So students, back to the topic. First point is survival. The importance of blood in our body, the importance of capital in the business, and importance of profit for the survival of business cannot be neglected. So if a firm wants to survive for a longer time, the firm has to earn sufficient profit. Second, expansion. If the sales is increasing, this means the firm is growing, and if the firm is creating more different types of goods, it means the firm is diversifying its business and it is not focusing on one particular product. Third, symbol of efficiency. When you are using your resources in the best optimum manner, you earn maximum profit, which shows that you are efficient in your work or operations. Fourth point, reward for business risk. What is the reward for any entrepreneur or businessman for the business operation? That is profit. Last point, a good profit earning firm enjoys high reputation, goodwill in the market. That's all for today. Thanks, students.